Setting goals is easy. Executing them, that's where most people fail. Let's fix that the Vedic way. Many of us set big, ambitious goals, but along the way, execution fails. Why? Because we either lose clarity, get distracted, procrastinated, or fail to review progress. Without execution, even the best goals are just wishful thinking. Namaste, Karyans. I'm Vanitha Ganeshmurthy, the founder of KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub. You're listening to Vedic Productivity Talks, helping you grow 1% every day the Vedic way of productivity. That question is powerful. What is goal execution and why does it fail for most people? So, what is the Vedic solution for that? In Vedic wisdom, execution means karma, in rhythm with dharma. Three things matters. Point number one, Sankalpa, that is the intention, clear, purposeful commitment to the goal. Point number two, Abhyasa, that is the practice. Daily, consistent actions, even small ones that keep momentum alive. Point number three, Kaala Yojana, that is time discipline, honoring time by breaking goals into smaller cycles daily, weekly, monthly. Execution fails when we skip reflection and alignment. The Rig Veda reminds us actions done in a right time yield power. What are the action steps? Karyans, take one goal today. Write down your Sankalpa in one line, break it into 3 daily actions, track it in your Vedic to-do list and review it at weekends. Execution is not about perfection, it's about rhythm. If this episode gave you a clarity, share it with the friends who struggle with execution and join our KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub where we will turn intention into actions and help you grow 1% daily with ancient wisdom. I wish you all to be very productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.